Hey guys, Navamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? In my previous series, I have talked about so many technologies and I have given you the knowledge about technologies. Right now, in my current series, I am giving the knowledge about the MCQ question pattern. Okay, what question can be asked by an interviewer in an interview session, or what kind of questions it can be given by in written exam also. So I'm going to provide you that knowledge. So in my current session, I've already talked about Salesforce and already talked about JavaScript and Java programming language also. Right now I'm going to talk about HTML5. So guys, let's get started and hope you guys are liking my session, right? So kindly hit the bell icon, comment below and subscribe my channel. Okay. So the first question is, which browser does the HTML5 support? The first one is Firefox, the second one is Safari, the third one is Internet Explorer. So guys, the answer is all of these above. Okay. Uh, which is the replacement for cookies in HTML5? The first one is JavaScript. The second one is web beacons. The third one is local storage. Okay, so local storage is the replacement for cookies in HTML5. The new form elements are introduced in HTML5. It's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 6. Okay, so the new form elements are introduced in HTML5 is 3. Web SQL is a part of HTML5 specification. Is it true or false? It's false. Which is not HTML5 tag? The first one is source, the second one is video, the third one is slider. The answer is slider is not HTML5 tag. Okay, audio tag is used for audio in HTML5. It's true or false? It's true. Okay, which of the following elements may contain not just links but also other interactive items, including the newly introduced command elements? The first one is meter, second one is progress, the third one is detail, and the fourth one is menu. Menu elements may contain not just links but also other interactive items, including the newly introduced command element. Which of the following elements does not support autofocus attribute? The first one is input, the second one is base, the third one is select. Okay, base doesn't support autofocus attribute. So mm, which is not as Boolean attribute? The first one is form validate, the second one is form target, the third one is no validate, and the answer is form target. It is not a Boolean attribute. Which of the following elements is used for or styling HTML5 layout? The first one is CSS, the second one is PHP, the third one is JavaScript, and the fourth one is jQuery. JavaScript is used for or styling HTML5 layout. Which feature was already introduced before HTML5? The first one is video, the second one is canvas, SVG, and the third one is frames. Frames features was already introduced before HTML5. So which of the following tag is used with JavaScript? The first one is table, second one is canvas, third one is article, and the fourth one is footer. Canvas is used with JavaScript. Okay, the which is the correct syntax of document type in HTML5? The first one is document type HTML, the second one is document type HTML. uh, Document type HTML is the correct syntax of document doc type in HTML5. Which is not a semantic element for HTML text in HTML5? The first one is time, mark, article. Okay, article is not semantic element for text in HTML5. An article element contains text or embedded content, image, audio, and the answer is an article element contains text and embedded content. So a command element must have a start tag but must not have an end tag. Is it true or false? The answer is true. The most interesting new APIs in HTML5 are HTML geolocation, and HTML application cache. Okay, HTML drag and drop and HTML web workers, HTML local storage and HTML SSE. And the answer is all of this above. The following HTML four elements have been removed in HTML5. The first one is applet, the second one is center, the third one is dirt. The answer is all of this above. The W3C HTML5 recommendation was released 28 October 2014. Is it true or false? It's true. HTML5 is supported in not all modern browsers. Is it true or false? It's false. Choose the item below that is not an HTML5 element. Footer, article, wrapper, and figure caption. Okay, the wrapper. So guys, these are the questions about HTML5. Okay, in my today's session, I have talked about the some MCQ question patterns that you guys need to know. And in my another session, I'm going to talk about any other technology, and I will give you the knowledge about the MCQ question patterns, which can be asked by an interviewer. Our webinar sessions and our master classes are going on every Saturday. All those classes have the different timings, and in my description box I've already mentioned there are the links I am providing. Kindly go through that links and enroll yourself and get the knowledge about technologies, and make yourself a professional person. Be a part of PCS Global. Our free internship sessions are going on. If you are interested to join any technical field, or you are interested in to be an IT professional, at first you need to know either you are capable to do the coding or not. So in that, our internship classes are for that reason. These are the free internship classes which you can join and get the knowledge about the technologies. Okay, after that, if you feel you are ready to do coding, or you can develop softwares, then PCS Global is the platform where we observe our candidates by giving them the chance to work with us. And it's our first way to make your future brighter. And we people always try to give you that opportunity to bring your best, okay, out. So kindly don't waste time, communicate with us. If you need any kind of any information, kindly call us and we will provide you all the knowledge whatever you need. And take the first step, be a professional person, prove yourself, and make your future better. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below.